Other news now, the Corpus Christi police officer who was shot in the line of duty while responding to a domestic disturbance at the former Watercolor Apartments back in August has filed a lawsuit seeking $1 million in relief.
Among those listed in the suit, the alleged shooter, but also the prior owners of the apartment complex itself. Today, the attorney representing the former owner and management says there was no basis for action and asked that his clients be dropped from the lawsuit. Our Bill Churchwell joins us now with details on this developing story. Bill?
The hearing was done via Zoom, and we were not allowed to record the proceedings for you. Now, the officer's attorney claiming that the shooting should have been foreseeable and that the prior owners of the complex allowed criminal activity to occur without action for years. Officer Manuel Dominguez, a 20-year veteran of the force, was responding to a domestic disturbance at the former Watercolor Apartments on Weber Road when he was shot multiple times. Police say the suspect, 20-year-old Joshua Powell, opened fire on him, fled the scene, and was eventually caught the next day. He's now charged with attempted capital murder. According to court documents obtained by 3 News, the shooting was not the first criminal activity at the location, including a prior domestic violence incident involving Powell 3 months before. The lawsuit, which was filed back in October, goes on to claim the quote prior and current owners, operators, or managers of the apartments knew or should have known of the violent and reckless nature of many of the tenants and guests. And instead of evicting these quote dangerous individuals, defendants continued to profit from them. At Wednesday's hearing, the attorney representing the former owner, 2014 Corpus Weber Road LLC and Eureka Multifamily Group, which managed and leased the apartments, asking for the former owner and management to be removed from the lawsuit. The defendant's attorney, Donnie Massahari, pleaded his reasoning to County Court at Law Judge Robert Vargas to dismiss his clients from the case, saying his clients did not own, operate, or manage the property on the day of the shooting, adding they sold the property 2 months prior. He also attempted to use the common law firefighter's rule. That rule basically states that a first responder, like a firefighter or police officer, cannot recover a premises liability case for injuries that resulted from risk that come from responding to an emergency. He also asked for the recovery of attorney's fees. The attorney representing Dominguez objecting to the argument regarding the firefighter's rule, saying it was filed just 2 hours before the hearing. The judge will consider today's arguments and make a ruling at a later time. Bill Churchwell, 3 News.
Thank you, Bill. Now